Hey everybody, Philip Bridges here again, and we are here today again with another Milwaukee must-have tool. It is the Milwaukee M12, and it is a compact inflator. And this compact inflator goes up to 120 psi. It's a really nice unit. It's really portable, runs off the little M12 batteries. This retails for about $70 without the battery, but you can get the battery pack with the charger for about $160 with the unit itself too. It's a really nice tire inflator, or even use it. It has little tools on the back, so you can fill up your volleyballs, your basketballs, whatnot. You can inflate rafts, your tires. It's just got 3 different tools on the back that you can use for inflating anything that you need. It's a really nice tool to have in your car. You can have it on your boat, anywhere, your work truck, whatever. It's really nice because all you have to do is you hit the on button and the screen will come up, and it has your plus and negative. And what that will do is you can set this to how much your PSI you want the air compressor to produce, or inflate. So you just crank it all the way up to 125, or I'm sorry, not 125, but 120 PSI. And once you do that, it'll set it and it won't go over that. So that's the max you can go, is 120. But say you're filling up, like a raft or a basketball, and you only want to put like 10 PSI in it, and you don't want to overfill it, and so you just don't burst it, basically. And it's perfect for kids because all they have to do is they have to set this to whatever PSI they want to fill it, or whatever it says recommends it for the whatever you're filling up. And then all you do is you set it and you push that button. Okay, and so what that's going to do is that's going to keep going. That's going to keep inflating it, and then once it gets to 10 PSI, it's going to kick off. So that's a really nice feature. You can't overinflate anything as long as you set it to the right PSI that it's supposed to have. And I will show you how it works, and let's check it out. All right, now we have this hooked up to just a tire, a little John Deere Gator. And right now it's nice because it also has a tire pressure gauge, so it'll tell you exactly how many PSI is in the tire. And right now it's 4. And so let's just add like a pound in there. I like this tire to have, I like it to be a little spongy. So let's not turn it off, but okay, let's set it to 5 pounds here. Just turn it on. It's going to start filling it up. Oh, and it's at 5 pounds already. Okay, so here, let's go to 7 pounds. Let's do that. Going to 7 pounds, and it's not going to take long at all. It's probably going to take about 20 seconds to do. Oh, it says 5.5 pounds. 6. There, 7 pounds. Okay, yeah, it took about 30 seconds or whatnot, but yeah, so it kicks off automatically, and it's really nice. I would always keep the battery on charge, and just so you have it, I put one of the bigger ones, the little 3.0s on there. That's going to give you enough power to do anything. But you can use the regular 12.0s too, or the 12-volt ones too, and it'll work fine. So this is the Milwaukee M12 compact inflator. It's once again, it retails for $70, $150 with the battery pack unit and charger. All right, so that was the review of the Milwaukee M12 compact inflator. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and also hit that notification bell right on the side of it, just so you get notified every time I post a video and whatnot. And thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a good day. We'll talk to you later. I'm Philip Bridges.